Hi everybody, this is Tiger Game. Today's topic is the shared economy is applied to the kitchen. Shared kitchen. With the development of the shared economy, now areas will be introduced in addition to the previously known means of transportation, Uber, accommodation, Airbnb, and office, WeWork. Now we will meet another shared economy is the kitchen, which is shared kitchen. Let's look at the background of the global emergence of shared kitchen. There are a number of reasons, but it seems to be closely related to the food delivery service, like this. Food delivery service that it is making enormous progress due to its uneconomical factors, such as the unavoidable cost of preparing a single person's own meals, not having enough time to make his own. According to a recent statistics released by the global market research firm IBIS World, the United States online delivery service market for 2020 will reach $35.9 billion. 73% of the entire delivery food market occurred on the millennial generation is carried out through online website or mobile apps. According to data released by UBS, a global investment bank, food order sales over the world's online market will grow by an average of more than 20% each year, and amount of sales is expected to reach $365 billion by 2030. Recently, Forbes published a column titled, "Will the millennials are ordering more food delivery, but are they killing the kitchen too?" June 26, 2018 by Andrea Zhang. According to the column, millennium consumers who has no time to cook and seeking convenience only have 3 times the number of orders than their parents. And the food delivery related apps were selected in the top 40 most downloaded apps in the major market. So, will food and kitchen really disappear from home? Perhaps by 2030, there will be a scenario where most of the meals currently cooked at home are ordered online, made from restaurant or central kitchen, and delivered home or office. From now on, it's time to pay attention to shared kitchen. Then, let's take a look at what is currently going on in China. In Shanghai, when there is a problem with hygiene, such as not so good substances coming out of delivery food, there is a public kitchen that has been inspected and licensed by the relevant authorities for sanitation. So the food is cooked and delivered here. In other words, it is a public kitchen system that can be used if a fixed fee is paid in advance for a certain period of time, such as a public bicycle system. It is in the university town that the public kitchen is the most advanced in China. It is the first time that a public kitchen that can be used for renting 10 yuan has emerged within a university in Hubei province. The reason why public kitchen was first born in the university is simple, because most of the dormitories in China have a relatively poor environment. It is not easy to make and eat food in schools because the supply of electricity and gas is not stable. Students choose to eat their own food because there are no restaurants around the school. I argue the future development of a shared kitchen should be operated by a membership system, not only in China, but also in the world with the help of public or private institutions that can manage and inspect sanitary or clean kitchen facilities. And it should not be the first place to share food ingredients, cook together, and eat together. In other words, if you book the food you want to make, you can prepare the necessary ingredients and cooking facilities and enjoy the fun of cooking them together. It is not just a place to make a food together, but a place where a new family is born, where neighbors and generations have a meal together. Now it's time to say goodbye. This was Tiger Games, the shared economy applied to the kitchen. See you next time.